fucked. Do you want to hear your favourite song?
Yeah.
My, dangling. Fuck off.
1860 is the total for you then. You are most welcome.
Okay, so it is Friday and it is about 11 AM. Today is like, I want to go explore somewhere and I want to like do something fun. So we're going to go to this place, but Chloe doesn't know where it is yet and I'm surprising her with it because it's really like, it's insane. I'm going to whisper what it is. It's called Heart Rock. There's like a massive mountain and there's like a massive love art carved out of it, but it's been done by like nature, by like water flowing down it. It's like eroded away the rock and stuff. So yeah. Guys, if you want to succeed in life, then you got to suck some seeds.
You got to suck some dick for bus fare, then don't catch the bus home.
Nah, this cone's pissing me off. We're going to Heart Rock and I'm fucking excited. I'm going to spin the camera now and we're going to be there. You ready? Yo, fucking made it. What do you think, man?
Oh, it's going to be beautiful.
I feel like I'm in GTA. We've been driving for like, how long did we drive? 3 hours nearly, 2.5.
Oh my fuck! Oh my god!
What the fuck has just...
The car's driving off.
What the fuck's with American drivers? Are a bunch of fucking... Nah, man. Bro, he didn't see. I watched it happen. 3 hours just to see some trees that you can do in Dudley. The aim is we've got to try and find Heart Rock.
They're everywhere.
You know why? It's because they're attracted to shit.
Fuck you.
So fucking in love with this place. I wanted to go places like this since I was like little and it looks exactly like it does on like those fucking films and shit.
No.
Come here, Chloe, I'll help you. Come down
Ah,
here, babe.
I'm slipping.
Come here.
Where's
I've
the
got you,
fucking
babe.
camera?
Come on.
Fuck you.
Oh shit, I got a girlfriend now.
Hi guys.
Whoa, it's starting to look real.
Oh my god.
Oh, oh my god.
Oh my god.
I can hear water.
It's me having a piss.
I'm excited. I'm excited. Fuck off, guys. And I have found the water. What happened?
That's Ramel. I'm done, man. I can't deal with that.
Ramel, did you hear a bear growl? Don't lie. What happened?
I heard a bear from like over there. All I heard was, okay, I'm gonna sound like a fucking prick, but roar, like.
There's like a waterfall there and it's fucking beautiful. I'm gonna get my other lens. Right, yo, I've switched to my macro lens and there's fucking flies on my eye.
I found it.
Don't lie.
I found
You
it.
found the rock?
I found it. Come here.
She's found Heart Rock.
Come here.
Let's go.
Come here. I'm gonna cry.
Bro, that's it. We found it.
Oh my god, that is amazing. That is gold. That is.
Guys, I'm making sure this vlog isn't too long, so I don't want to fucking bore you. I just wanted you to see a bit of what I've been doing in LA, and it's It's fucking beautiful, man. Okay, guys, so I'm finished with my 4th vlog, and I'm sorry I haven't uploaded in fucking a month because I was masturbating in the tree. But yeah, I'm back and I'm gonna be uploading videos every week again. I've just been in California, I've just been doing loads of shit and having fun recording TGF videos. Yeah, I'm gonna be back recording videos. So, thanks for watching. Please like the video. Get this to at least 20,000 likes, and I appreciate that a lot, man. Peace!
Outside in an all black rock, 10 rolled up when I'm